Hey guys, this is Abhishek this side, and right now we are going to Hornbill Festival. But in the meantime, you guys just check this. So we are going to reach Tifu right now. We are going through the forest. You can see so much of forest over here, all the sides. Finally, we have. So finally, we have stopped in a place right now. It's a strip of road you can see, possibly, and we are gonna taking a temporary stop, like leaking, maybe like peeing, and then you can check out the place. It's totally awesome. It's beautiful. From here, we are going to reach Dimapur in another 30 kilometers from here. So till we reach Dimapur, keep watching. We are going to show you something really nice. So we are back. Right now we are going to have ice cream Baskin Robbins right now. This Chalice, they have given really good, cool ice cream. So you can see. So right now we are on our way. You can see. So we had to take some things on our way, and we got stuck in Dimapur. So guys, if you are coming towards Hornbill or if you are coming towards Kohima, make sure that you don't get inside the traffic of Dimapur. The moment you get inside, it's gonna be having a very bad time, because you're gonna spend maybe another 1 hour, or maybe it may be around 2 hours of time inside this traffic. And it's seriously, the roads are not good inside Dimapur. Some of the places it's very congested, and there are buses going inside. I couldn't take some videos over there because we were in a different mode altogether, trying to find out our location, because this will be the first time I'm going, and still on our way. So I'm going to show you the way right now.
Every word you say feels like a knife in my head, like a bullet in my back. You're just killing me. You're just killing me. You're just killing me. And every word you say feels like a knife in my head.
Hey guys, so it's early morning time in Kohima, and I'm going to this place. It's called the Winter Bazaar. You can see, and trying to go to a place, possibly. I don't know. Maybe it's pretty inside, maybe. So I'm following this guy. Going inside. Hey guys, so I've come to a very nice restaurant. It's called Cafe Aurora. It has got a very nice menu, very nice ambience. You can see very nice ambience. So I'm gonna read the items what we get over here. You have pork bamboo shoot, you have smoked pork, anishi, chicken curry, chicken mutton masala, chicken liver and gizzard, pork chili, chicken chili boneless, chicken chili with mushroom, a lot of things. You have mutton. Hey guys, so I have reached the camp right now, and I just finished my food. You can see the food. It's a very authentic kind of food which has been prepared specially with the dal, with the pork, and things like that. I'm gonna show you the team right now. Possibly these people who is actually doing the cooking. I'm gonna come inside. Okay. So we have just come to the kitchen right now. So where actually all the food is being prepared. So they are basically the people, the main people actually who does all the stuff over there behind. If you see the good food, come over here in Kohima and you can find good food over here near the Hornbill camp. It's called Stay High Aboard Adventures, right? Camp? Yes. Right?
Oh, lights gone.
So he's KV and he's actually explaining something right now, by the way. Route going inside Hornbill right now. Pretty steep route from down to up, but it's okay. Like, you're gonna have a great time inside right now. Reaching the gate. Hi.
Show us. Come on.
Come. So I've got a friend. What's your name?
Sunny.
Sunny. So I have Sunny over here
Yeah.
and Sunny's girl over
My
there.
friend. Yeah.
Your friend.
Yeah.
You're gonna have
Nice
a
to
great
meet
time.
you.
Same
Have
here.
a great time.
Same here. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. So people are very pleasing over here. We're going to see. I'm taking a ticket right now over here. So this is the counter. So once you come to Hornbill, you need to take a ticket over here. And how much is that? 50, right? So the ticket will cost you just $50. That's it. Go inside. Get to see a lot of things actually. So I'm gonna put the ticket right now. Thank you. So what's your name? Asin is helping me to put this band over there. So guys, I've just come inside the Hornbill. You can see the gate behind. So there's a gate behind, and possibly I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna check out the place. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen, things like that. Coming for the first time in Hornbill, I'm assuming it's gonna be a great experience. So what you need to do is come down to Hornbill, stay over here. There are so many camps over here. You can stay in any of the camps. So I have come to the place right now inside. There's so much of things happening here. I'm actually looking for rice beer, but I don't know where to get. Excuse me. Where do you get? Excuse me. Where do you get rice beer? Rice beer. Yeah, here only. Excuse me. Do you have rice beer? Can you give me one? So I'm gonna have rice beer right now. So this is a place where I'm gonna have rice beer. I'm gonna let you know, guys, like how it's gonna taste. Beer over here. It's like frothy rice beer, possibly. And I'm gonna let you know about the taste, like. And these guys are really good over here. Like they give me, like, it just cost you like $100 for one this full, like 500 milliliter. Yeah, is that more than that?
Maybe 750 ml.
Yeah, it's like 750 ml. It's like paisa vasool, like, you know, 100 rupees. That's fine, like, you know. Cheers. Tastes good, very good. In case if you're coming to Hornbill, do check this guys out. What's the name of this place?
The Hornbill side.
Yeah, just Hornbill side, and come to the food court inside and ask for anyone, like, you know, where you get the rice beer. And come here, have it for $100. I have got something very beautiful over here. This is snail, and this is some of the one of the authentic dish over here. You can try it out. I'm gonna see like how it is eaten. So I'm gonna show you right now. How do you eat this?
The thing is that you have to suck it from the bottom side.
Okay.
First, you have to suck it from here.
From which?
Not this side. First.
This side. So you have to suck it from the bottom side.
Yeah. Harder. Yeah, and then from this part, from the other part. There'll be a like a cover. You don't have to do that.
Okay. Well, this is a cover.
Yeah. So you can. Really,
This tastes awesome.
this cooked with like millets, with bamboo shoots, and some
Awesome.
smashed potatoes.
Smashed potato. Nice. Mashed potato and this one. And you have given Naga chili also here.
We don't do that.
But I can.
If you really need the spicy one, that's fine. We can keep it.
But I can get a little spicy, like that tikka wala feeling, like.
No, this is the only thing we have today.
Yeah. Nice, man. And from where you get these snails?
Actually, these are from the local fishery. You need a very strong jaw to suck it up.
That's why you guys have a strong jaw, huh? Oh,
That's the technique how we do it.
nice. And it's like, so guys, like, so I just finished 2 pieces of snail right now. You guys can have it. How much does it cost usually, the snail? One plate?
One plate, it's 150 rupees.
100?
50 rupees.
150 for how many pieces?
We can't count the pieces, but it comes in this bowl.
Okay. So you get for 150 rupees this bowl, like the snails. Come here and try this out. It's gonna be really awesome for sure. So guys, I'm inside Hornbill right now in a very crazy party. You can see like too many people here dancing. I'm going to show you where I am right now. If you see, there is a road going down. The people who are actually coming from there. Okay, so guys, I have come to a place where you see this. Oh my God. So there is thumping beats over here happening. This is one of the so guys, I've come to Hornbill right now with Atu and sister. So she's sister, say hi, say hi. So she's Atu, is sister. So I'm gonna dance for some time while I come back and show you something more. Everything. Quickly, I'm gonna show you everybody over there. Too many people having a lot of fun over here, and so guys, going towards the festival venue right now. So this is one of the ways you can take. Hey guys, so we are in Kohima right now, walking possibly on the road going back. This is the last night, you can say. So I'm just going back home, taking our own way, running our things at this point of time.